Number 17 is a brain bender. It's one of those problems that just makes your head hurt to even read it. But we can do it. A bag of rice weighs 45 pounds. A bag of flour weighs 10 pounds more than half the weight of the bag of rice. In which equation does F represent the weight in pounds of the bag of flour? Okay, so let's take what we know. We know that the bag of rice equals 45 pounds. That part I can just write down and be glad they were nice to me. So here is that equation. Now, the bag of flour. So the flour equals 10 more than, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to bring this down here so I can just write it straight across. I don't have to wrap around. 10 more than half the weight of the rice. And let's just write it down, and then we'll worry about what it's saying. A bag of flour is 10 pounds more than half the weight of the bag of rice. Well, look at this. We know that. So instead of the rice, I'm going to put in 45. I know that the word of in a problem like this means multiply. I know what half looks like. It's a fraction. I know that 10 more than, that's plus. But the than also indicates a reversal. We'll worry about that in just a second. So these are the bare bones of the problem. I know that it involves adding and multiplying. So watch what I'm going to do here. Look at A. That's multiplying and subtracting, so that's not it. B has adding and multiplying. C has multiplying and subtraction. D has multiplying and subtraction. And E has multiplying and addition. So we know it has to be B as in boy or E as in elephant. We just have to figure out which one of those it's going to be. Now, this is interesting. They chose not to reverse on this one. Usually they will. With more than, it doesn't really matter, but if it were less than, you would have to reverse. But in this case, I will remove that because they didn't reverse the numbers. You've got it right here. 10 plus 1/2 times 45. Another way to say 1/2, half of a dollar, is how much money? It's 50 cents. Okay, so 50 cents times 45, and they're using the parentheses to put the times in there, and then 10 plus that. I'm liking answer B. You don't have to solve anything. You just have to set it up.